Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of items that I purchased for my HP Omen 15 laptop. First, you'll notice that the quality and lighting, maybe the sound isn't all that great. I'm doing some unboxing of items that I recently got from Amazon to improve the quality. So I did an unboxing as well for the Boya. There's a Boya microphone. I think it's BY-M1. I'm going to be using that shortly. I cannot hook it up to this camera because there's no audio input option. So I do have other options. I'm going to, just kind of get an idea of what it's like to use my Samsung Galaxy phone. I also recently got a Panasonic G85 camera. So I'll be doing some other videos. Hopefully we're going to see some improvement as far as the lighting. Like the lighting in here is just track lighting in our office. So bear with me on that. So it's going to be improving, but hopefully you get the idea. You can hear fairly well. It's not perfect, but it'll get the job done for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open these both Redragon keyboard and mouse. So the regular price of this keyboard looks like it was about $39.99, and then they had it on special during Amazon Prime days, so I got it for a little bit less. Okay, so I'll do the keyboard first. The keyboard, the keyboard, RGB, good. I'm always glad when they put the right thing in the box. Amazon's usually great, but sometimes, you might get something a little different in the box. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Okay, and again, that was normally approximately $39. And then the Redragon mouse. This is nice. It comes in a nice carrying case or plastic case. This is the M719, and it looks like it's normally about $18.99. I did get it on sale during Amazon Prime days. Alright, so let's get to the keyboard first. I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay. Okay. So I got this also not just because RGB lighting, but it takes up less space. My Omen laptop has the full keyboard. It's got the 10 key over on the right hand side. But I wanted something just a little bit smaller, but good response time, and just better than just a basic keyboard, because I do have another basic keyboard. So this is nice. It's sealed. It's kind of hard to do when it's facing away from you. Okay. There we go. Got it. Go. Oh, I can hear it click. It does sound, I like that sound. My laptop is real spongy. I kind of like that response. That sound sometimes drives people crazy, but I like to hear it occasionally. I have a Microsoft natural keyboard at my PC, and it's kind of in between. It's not quite this loud, but it has more of a response. But this, I can feel it has a good response. It's not spongy at all. And then you can hear it. Okay. So USB. Oh, it includes the key puller. Key puller? I guess that's... Not that I'm going to be changing those anytime soon. Okay. Pretty heavy. Feels pretty sturdy. You know, you got your stands, you know, so you can elevate the back. But overall, it feels pretty nice. Instruction book. You know, just your, oh, and what is this? Okay, just some additional information, do's and don'ts, do's and don'ts. All right, so I'll be plugging that in, not in this video, in another video. I'll plug it into my Omen and see if it helps my gameplay at all. I doubt it, but couldn't hurt. Okay, so I'll put that aside. Okay, and here's the mouse. Oh, it's kind of nice. Kind of nice, very nice, actually. Okay, open this up. There we go. Oh, this feels good. Again, you know, you get your pamphlets. Got some do's and don'ts, just like the keyboard. Okay, and again, this is the Redragon M719 Invader wired optical gaming mouse. 7 programmable buttons, RGB backlit, and it feels pretty good. This was $18.99 or $18.39, around $18. Okay, and sometimes you can get it for a little bit less. Sometimes Amazon has coupons. I purchased this when they had the Amazon Prime days a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, mid-July. Nice long cord. Oh, and this is the nice, the woven cable. But this feels good. Nice, responsive sound. Fits. I don't have real big hands, so it fits pretty well. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and give this a try on my laptop, and I can do another video with that. But I just wanted to get an unboxing just to show people what's in the box. And they both look pretty good. They look pretty sturdy. I think they're pretty reasonably priced. I was surprised at the prices even without the Amazon sale. But it was, you know, nice to get that too. Okay, so that should do it for now. Thanks for watching.